Have you ever dreamed of a career in healthcare without the lengthy commitment of medical school? A medical assistant position could be the ideal pathway for you. This role is integral to the healthcare system, providing essential support to physicians while ensuring patients receive compassionate care. To embark on this fulfilling journey, start by obtaining a high school diploma or GED. A solid foundation in biology, effective communication skills, and basic computer knowledge will serve you well. These skills are crucial as you interact with patients and manage medical records. Next, enrolling in an accredited medical assistant program is key. These programs are offered at community colleges, vocational schools, and technical institutes, typically lasting between 9 to 12 months for a certificate or diploma, or around 2 years for an associate degree. During your studies, you will dive into subjects like anatomy and physiology, medical terminology, patient care, and pharmacology. Such knowledge equips you to face real-world challenges in medical settings. An essential component of your education is the clinical experience gained through an externship. This hands-on training allows aspiring medical assistants to work in a live healthcare environment under professional supervision. This invaluable experience not only builds your confidence, but also enhances your practical skills. While certification is often optional, it is highly recommended to boost your employment prospects. Popular certifications include the Certified Medical Assistant, CMA, Registered Medical Assistant, RMA, and National Certified Medical Assistant, NCMA. Holding a certification can significantly enhance your job opportunities and earning potential. After completing your education and certification, you can begin applying for positions in various settings such as physician offices, hospitals, urgent care centers, outpatient clinics, and specialty practices. Each of these environments offers unique experiences and the chance to make a meaningful difference in patients' lives. As you gain experience, consider advancing your career by exploring roles in healthcare management, nursing, or specialized clinical positions. Medical assistants typically earn a salary ranging from $38,000 to $55,000 per year, depending on various factors. In conclusion, the medical assistant career path is a rewarding choice for those seeking a fast-tracked entry into the healthcare field. With a relatively short training period, strong job demand, and opportunities for professional growth, this role offers a chance to impact lives positively. So take the leap and start your healthcare journey today.